Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. SLOs of this lesson are classify and use different kinds of adverbs learned earlier. In our previous lesson, we discussed the adverbs. Adverb is a part of speech which modifies an action. It tells you how, when, where, in which manner, to which extent the action is done. Today, we are going to discuss the kinds of noun in detail. Page number 78 of your textbook. We have types of adverb here. An adverb of time provides more information about when a verb takes place, and adverbs of time are usually placed at the beginning or end of a sentence. Adverb of time आपको क्या बताता है कि कौन सा काम किस वक्त और कब हुआ, और एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम सेंटेंस की या तो स्टार्ट में आता है या एंड में. एग्जाम्पल्स आर नेवर, लेटली, जस्ट, ऑलवेज, रिसेंटली, ड्यूरिंग, येट, सून, समटाइम्स, यूजुअली एंड सो फॉर. ये आपके क्या है? एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम है. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस. एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस illustrate where the verb is happening, where the action is happening. It's usually placed after the main verb or object or at the end of the sentence. ये आपके adverb of place हैं जो कि main verb के बाद या object के बाद आते हैं या sentence के बिल्कुल end में, जैसे कि here, there, nowhere, nowhere, everywhere, out, in, above, below, inside, outside, into. It tells you where the action or the verb is happening. Now let's move to the adverbs of manner. It provides more information about how a verb is done. Adverb of manner are probably the most common of all adverbs. Most of them will end in ly. As I told you, mostly the adverbs of manner or adverbs end with the ly. For example, neatly, slowly, quickly, steadily, calmly, politely, loudly, kindly, lazily. You can see all the adverbs is ending with the ly here. And the adverbs of degree explains the level or intensity of a verb. कि उसकी verb की या action की intensity क्या है, या adjective की किस level तक वो काम हो रहा है. और even another adverb like almost, quite, nearly, to, enough, just, hardly, simple, and so. Adverbs of frequency. Adverb of frequency explain how often the verb occurs. कि कौन सा काम जो है कितनी दफा हुआ है, ये हमें किससे पता चलता है? adverb of frequency से. They are often placed directly before the main verb of a sentence. Main verb से हमेशा पहले आता है आपका adverb of frequency. For example, never, always, rarely, sometimes, normally, seldom, usually, and again. These are the adverb of frequency here. Adverbs of reason express the reason for or purpose of an action. It tells you why the action is done, what is the purpose of this happening, why this person is doing this. Examples are hence, thus, therefore, consequently, on account of, and since. Now we will discuss all the types of adverbs in detail with examples. First, let's discuss the adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner tells us how something happens. They are usually placed after the main verb or after the object. Examples हैं, he swims well. अब काम कैसे हो रहा है? स्विमिंग कैसे करता है वो? वेल, बहुत अच्छी. आपका मेन वर्ब क्या है? स्विम है. अगर इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो इट्स ओके, यू कैन एंड विद इट. ही रैन रैपिडली और स्लोली और क्विकली. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्सन हाउ ही रैन. शी स्पोक सॉफ्टली, लाउडली, एग्रेसिवली. Why these are ending with the ly? Because these are the adverb of manner and they end with the ly. James coughed loudly to attract her attention. He plays the flute beautifully. Plays क्या है? कफ क्या है, spoke क्या है, they are action. And these are all, yes, adverb of manner. Here the object is fluid here. He ate the chocolate cake greedily. Ate is a verb here and the greedily is, yes, an adverb here, adverb of manner. But be careful, the adverb should not be put between the verb and the object. आपने adverb कभी भी verb और object के दरमियान में नहीं लगाना. जैसे कि he ate greedily the chocolate cake. It's incorrect. The correct one is he ate the chocolate cake greedily. Now this is adverbs of reason. An adverb of reason offers a reason for the main idea. That why the action is done. An adverb of reason often starts with one of the following subordinating conjunctions like as, because, given or since. Why these are called subordinating conjunction? Because they work as a conjunction. They join together the two sentences or the two ideas together. Here are some examples. It is true because I say it is. As we bought the tickets, the overture was beginning. Overture कहते हैं म्यूजिक को. तो इसमें क्या है, आपको reasons भी बताई गई है. It is true because I say it is. He is telling the reason because I said, that's why it's true. As we bought the tickets, the overture was beginning. Let me give you another example. I was late because I could not catch the bus. ये अब इसकी reason हो गई. Why the verb is done? Because he or she was late. Since I was late, I took a taxi. The manager dismissed Mary for she was very lazy. The reason here, her laziness. That's why her manager dismissed her. As the weather was bad, we cancelled the picnic here. Adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. They are called adverbs of time. They tells you when the action is done. For example, the train has already left. We moved into our new house last week. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. I'm going to my new school tomorrow. The day, the date, the time, the year, the week, the month already is also considered the adverb of time here. It tells you when the action is done. Now let's discuss the adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tells us that the strength or intensity of something that happens. Many adverbs are gradable, that's it. We can intensify them. Basically, they answer the sort of question that asks how much and how little. How much or how little the action is done. For example, they are tired. They are extremely tired. How much they are tired? Extremely. Here, the extremely is adverb of degree, which is modifying. They are tired. Modifying the whole sentence here. We played badly. How much bad? Yes, very badly. We played very badly. Badly is another adverb, which is modified by the adverb of degree very here. That idea is stupid. How stupid? Completely stupid. You can see the intensity of a verb here. Examples of frequency adverbs here, the percentage of every adverb of frequency is given in the brackets here. You can see. If I say I always brush my teeth in the morning, always means I always do this in the morning. So it's 100% because I am always doing it. The always is here adverb of frequency. It tells you to which extent the action is done. She usually arrives to work on time. अब usually का percentage क्या है? 90 to 99%. I visit my grandparents frequently. ज़्यादा होता है frequently. 75 to 90%. My dog often sleeps on my bed with me. 75 to 90% here. Sometimes he eats eggs for breakfast. Sometimes, कभी कभी. तो इसका परसेंटेज क्या है? 25 to 50%. I go for a walk in the park occasionally. कभी कभी मौसम अच्छा हो या एक्सरसाइज या वॉक करनी हो तो वो occasionally हो जाएगा, तो क्या हो गया? 25 to 50%. We seldom eat out. Seldom बहुत कम. 10 to 25% here. आप देख सकते हैं जितने भी एक्शन यहां पर हुए हैं उसका जो है फ्रीक्वेंसी बताई गई है इधर परसेंटेज में, और ये एडवर्ब्स और फ्रीक्वेंसीज हैं आपके. ऑलवेज, यूजुअली, ऑफन, समटाइम्स, फ्रीक्वेंटली, ओकेजनली, सेल्डम. माई फैमिली रेयरली गोज ऑन वेकेशन. 1 to 10%, because one cannot go vacation daily or usually, or sometimes they rarely go for vacation. So its percentage is 1 to 10%. The last one is here. He never helps me clean the house. Never. The action is never done. So it has 0%. क्योंकि कोई काम कभी नहीं हुआ तो उसका परसेंटेज क्या होगा? 0%. And the last one is here, adverb of place. It tells you where the action is done. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where the action is done. They are called adverb of place. Like the boys are playing upstairs. The dog is in the garden. It's very sunny but cold outside. I have lived here for about 2 years. Upstairs, in the garden, outside, and here is the example of adverb of place. It's telling you where the action is happening. So these 6 sentences of this exercise is your home task. We have discussed the types of adverbs in detail with examples. So it will be very easy for you to do this exercise. You have to choose one correct option for each sentence here for the bold letters. Daud accidentally deleted the 3 hours of homework with 1 click. अब आपने ये बताना है कि जो accidentally ये क्या है? एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम है, मैनर है, फ्रीक्वेंसी और रीजन. इसी तरह आपने बाकी के सेंटेंसेस के लिए भी राइट ऑप्शंस चूज करने हैं. एंड आई वांट यू टू रीड दिस पोएम हियर एंड आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर इन दिस लेसन इन दिस पोएम हियर. अंडरलाइन करना है आपने इजीली पढ़ के इसको, और जितनी भी टाइप्स ऑफ एडवर्ब्स है आपने उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. एंड इट्स ऑल्सो योर होम टास्क.